Meaning of fishing tackle.
Fishing tackle.
Fishing tackle.
Fishing tackle.
Fishing tackle. Fishing tackle refers to the equipment and accessories used by fishermen to catch fish. This can include items like fishing rods, reels, lines, hooks, lures, baits, nets, and traps, among others. Fishing tackle can be specialized based on the type of fish being targeted, the location of the fishing spot, and the personal preferences of the angler. Having the right fishing tackle is essential for any successful fishing expedition, and can greatly increase the chances of catching a variety of fish species.